Students, today we'll start about the coordination compound, chapter number 9. Here, in the previous chapter, we have learnt about the DNA block elements, and there we have learnt about the complex compound also. Okay, transition metals form a large number of complex compound in which the metal atom are bound to a number of either anions or neutral molecules. So these central metal atom, which is actually surrounded by anions or neutral molecules, they are actually called the ligands here. And transitional metals are forming this complex compound, and in modern terminology such compounds are called coordination compounds. Okay, so what are the complex compound that is formed by transitional metals? They are called coordination compound. The chemistry of coordination compound is an important and challenging area for, okay, let it be. Now we are coming some example here, just like the, look at here, chlorophyll is there, hemoglobin, vitamin B12 are coordination compounds of magnesium, iron and cobalt. So magnesium is central atom, metal atom for chlorophyll, iron is the central metal atom for hemoglobin, and cobalt is the central metal atom for vitamin B12. Okay, and variety of process, metallurgy compound, all these things are producing or applicable to this, we can say, complex compound. Now we are coming for the Werner's theory. What is the Werner's theory? Alfred Werner, a Swiss chemist, he told that the concept of a primary valence or secondary valence. What are the primary and secondary valence we will discuss today. So for a metal ion, so we have to discuss about the primary valence and the secondary valence here. Binary compounds such as chromium chloride CrCl3, CoCl2 or PdCl2 have primary valence. What are the primary valence? They have 3, 2 and 2 respectively. In a series of compound cobalt 3 chloride with ammonia, it was found that some of the chloride ions could be precipitated at AgCl, that also will be showing here. On adding excess silver nitrate solution in cold, but some remained in the solution. We will see that one, what is actually happening. Look at here. So this is 1 mole of cobalt chloride 6NH3. It is color is yellow. It in presence of silver nitrate, they are precipitating 3 mole of AgCl. Okay, and 1 mole of CoCl3 5NH3, they are purple in color, and with the reaction with AgNO3, they are producing 2 mole of AgCl. 1 mole of CoCl3 4NH3 green in color gave 1 mole of AgCl, and 1 mole of CoCl3 4NH3 violet in color gave 1 mole of AgCl as precipitate. So ये 4 observation we have already we got from this experiment. Now what is the reason behind that? Ki some are producing 3 mole, some are producing 2 mole, some are producing 1 mole here. So this observation with the results of conductivity measurements in solution can be explained if 6 group in all either chloride ion or ammonia molecule or both remain bonded to the cobalt ion. So ये 6NH3 है और chloride कितना है 3 है during the reaction, and the compounds are formulated as shown in table 9.1, where the atoms within the square brackets form a single entity which does not dissociate. Okay, look at here. So this one, color already given to us, yellow, purple, green and violet. What is the CoCl3 6NH3, CoCl3 5NH3, CoCl3 4NH3 and CoCl3 here 4NH3. So now we can see that one, CoCl3 6NH3, first compound is that one, and there we are getting here 3 mole AgCl. That means 3Cl minus is coming as a ionic constitution. That means it is coming 3Cl minus and CONH3 whole 6. Dekho, CONH3 whole 6 and Cl minus is coming as the, we can say, the primary valency. So that it is actually called where the atoms within the square bracket, ये जो square bracket के अंदर जो है, they will not dissociate under the reaction, and Werner proposed the term secondary for valence for the number of groups bound directly to the metal atom, and this one is primary valence. So primary valence are actually reacting with silver nitrate and show that the 3 mole of AgCl is precipitating here. Here the same condition, CuCl3 5NH3, but how many moles are precipitated? 2. So 2Cl minus will be coming outside the square bracket. तो ये है स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में आउटसाइड क्या है 2Cl माइनस, बाकी कहाँ पे रहेगा इनसाइड. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्राइमरी वैलेंसी, दिस वन इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी. ओके, फॉर दिस वन green and violet color are different, but here constituent same here, CuCl3 4NH3 and 1 mole of AgCl is here producing. Here also 1 mole of AgCl is producing. So we can see that one. यहाँ पे भी वही Cl माइनस एक Cl माइनस आपके स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के बाहर ही रहेगा, बाकी अंदर रहेगा. So this is called primary valence, this is called secondary valence. So last two compound actually they have the identical empirical formula but distinct properties. Such compounds are found in isomers, means they are isomer of each other. So that's why they are showing different color actually, but their precipitation is same here. So look at these are the condition where we can find out that what is primary valence and what is secondary valence. So now Werner in 1898 pronounced his theory of coordination compound. So what are the main postulates of the coordination compound here? Now in coordination compounds metal show two types of linkage, that is primary and secondary. Valence is दो type होता है, primary secondary. Primary valence are normally ionizable. So they look at here 3Cl minus, that is called primary valency. So they are normally ionizable and that's why they can combine with silver nitrate and producing AgCl. How many AgCls are produced? 3 moles of AgCls are producing there. The primary valencies are normally ionizable and are satisfied by the negative ions. The secondary valencies are non-ionizable, that is present along with the metal. They are satisfied by neutral molecules or negative ions. The secondary valence is equal to the coordination number and is fixed for a metal. So metal की चारों तरफ जैसे यहाँ पे coordination number कितना आएगा ना, यहाँ पे 4 है और 2 है, 6 coordination number. ये भी 4 और 2 6 coordination number. 5 and 1 6 coordination number. So that is this is central metal atom cobalt, and surrounding that the ligands are present there. Ligands may be anion or ligands may be neutral, whatever it is coming. So that is not a factor, but actually they are considering as coordination number also. Surrounding atom who are present surrounded by ligand. So the ions or groups bounded by secondary linkage go to the metal have characteristic special arrangement corresponding to different coordination number. तो जैसे जैसे coordination number आएगा उसके हिसाब से उसका special arrangement भी रहेगा. जैसे यहाँ पे है कि 6 है तो 6 है तो डेफिनेटली क्या हो जाएगा, 6 जब आएगा तो ऑक्टाहेड्रल कंडीशन आ जाएगा, तो वैसे ही स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट उसके हिसाब से आएगा. द मॉडर्न फॉर्मुलेशन सच स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट आर कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन पॉलीहेड्रा. They are called coordination polyhedra. The spaces within the square bracket are coordination entities or complexes, and the ions outside the square bracket are called the counter ions. So that is actually called the coordination entities. They are called coordination entities because they are directly connecting or present with the metal. Okay, and the Cl minus, this one is coming as a counter ion there. Okay, next one we are coming, he further postulated that, so all are postulation of which one, Werner. He further postulated that octahedral, tetrahedral, square planar geometrical shape are more common in coordination compounds of transitional metal. So what are the geometrical shape will be available there? Either octahedral will be available. It depends upon how many coordinate, what is the coordination number. जैसे यहाँ पे 6 है ना, CuNH3 whole 6 3 plus. तो how many ammonia is surrounded by the cobalt here? 6. So that's why it is coming about the octahedral entity. 6 are there octahedral. यहाँ पे भी 6 है, 3 5 और 1 6. तो ये भी ऑक्टाहेड्रल है, मतलब सेंट्रल मेटल एटम की चारों तरफ और सेंट्रल मेटल एटम के साथ कितने अटैच है, CuCl2NH3 4. तो ये भी 4 और 2 6 है. तो ये सब ट्रांजिशनल मेटल आपको कोबाल्ट जो है ट्रांजिशनल मेटल पता ही है आपको, कोबाल्ट, निकेल, प्लैटिनम. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज कमिंग. Thus this one 6, where the 6 surrounding coordination number are there, they are actually forming the octahedral entities. While nickel tetracarbonyl, ये जो CO है 4 है, so that's what is coming which one, tetrahedral. PtCl4, that is also coming as a square planar. So these are special arrangement are actually depending upon how many coordination number are present there. Okay, next one we are coming about the question here. On the basis of the following observation made with aqueous solution, assign the secondary valencies to the metal in the following compound. तो primary valencies means which one, is coming at the ionizable condition. So first one is coming, first one is giving here PdCl2 and 4NH3, and it is coming, AgCl is coming here, moles of AgCl is coming here 2. So how we have to write down this one? Here it is PdCl2 4NH3, and here AgCl is coming here 2. So definitely Cl2 Cl minus will be coming at the outside the bracket. So how we have to write down? PdNH3 whole 4, and it is coming Cl2. So otherwise यहाँ पे 2 plus, यहाँ पे Cl2 2 Cl minus, that also you can write down in as you wish, that you can write down PdNH3 whole 4. Here it is coming 2 plus and 2 Cl minus. So what is the condition here? Secondary valency आपको find out करना है. तो secondary valency कितना है? 4 है. ये secondary valency है, primary valency है. Second one is coming nickel Cl2 and 6H2O, and here moles of HCl is coming here 2. So that is also easy. तो निकेल H2O होल 6 आप कर दो, और इसमें 2 Cl माइनस को बाहर कर दो. ये जो Cl2 है इसको 2 Cl माइनस, यहाँ पे 2 प्लस कर सकते हो. तो ये हो गया. यहाँ पे आपके पास सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी कितना आएगा ना? सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी यहाँ पे भी सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी 4, यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी 6. ओके, थर्ड वन इज कमिंग हियर PtCl4 2HCl, एंड यहाँ पे 0. So how we can write down? PtCl 6 पूरा ही आ जाएगा H, and PtCl 6, क्योंकि 0 कोई प्राइमरी वैलेंसी नहीं रहेगा. और सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी कितना आ जाएगा? सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी ऑल्सो कमिंग, सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी इज कमिंग हियर 6. एंड फोर्थ वन इज कमिंग अबाउट विच वन हियर? फोर्थ वन इज COCl3 4NH3. Here precipitation of AgCl is 1 here, so definitely Cl minus will be coming outside. So we have to write down here CONH3 whole 4 and Cl2, क्योंकि एक Cl बाहर जाएगा, क्योंकि एक AgCl is coming as a precipitate. तो ये हो गया +1 and Cl minus. Clear? So this is coming as the, this is primary valency and this one is secondary valency. So secondary valency कितना आएगा? 6 आ गया. Again secondary valency 4 and 2 6. And fifth one is PtCl2 2NH3. और यहाँ पे 0 है, तो बस इजी है. 0 मतलब कोई प्राइमरी वैलेंसी नहीं रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा? PtNH3 whole 2 and Cl2. Clear? तो here what is the secondary valency here? Secondary valency equals to